Hello, good afternoon, friends. So today we are going to uh, discuss about how to run our Selenium scripts on different web browsers. In last video, we have seen that how to download basic drivers and jars needed for our uh, Selenium. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start with the Selenium script for the Chrome browser. So let's take in one example. So let's take one test case as a open google.com on a Chrome browser and then log the message, and after waiting for 4 seconds it should, or that browser should get closed. Okay, so what are the test steps that should be included over here is like a setup Chrome driver path. So you might know that in earlier video I have explained you like how to download the web drivers for different browsers, and they will get downloaded in your downloads folder, and then you have to provide that path, whatever the machine path on your script for that particular, to set that particular browser in our script. Okay, then open a Chrome web browser, then navigate to google.com, then log the message, then wait for the 4 seconds, and then close the web browser. So these are the steps that are going to come when we are writing the script. Okay, so let's go ahead and start writing the scripts. um, so here I have already opened my Eclipse and created one project under one package. So if you want to know like how we have to create a Java project and then package and the program, then you can see my earlier videos. Okay, so let's start first with this script for the test case that we have just before some time we have gone through. Okay, so the first step in this script or test case is to set the Chrome driver path. Okay, to set the Chrome driver path or any driver path, we have to set it through the system's properties. Okay, so let's type system, and once you press the dot button it will automatically give you all the options or all the methods that we can use with respect to the system. Okay, so we have to set the property, so we have to say set property. Okay, so there are two things, set properties and property. You have to go ahead with set property because we have to set only one property. Okay, so set property, and then in double inverted comma you have to set the web driver property. So first write web driver, the name of the driver, that is Chrome. Okay, and what type, it is the driver. Okay, so that's what the key field, and then the value for this driver is your the path where this Chrome driver has been placed. So in my earlier video I already explained you, after downloading Chrome driver it will go to the downloads folder and then you have to extract that. So after extracting you will get this folder over here, and within that this Chrome driver is there. So you have to copy this path and you have to enter over here. Okay, and then double slash. Okay, this automatically this will take a double slash, you don't need to do anything. Okay, and then Chrome driver is the name of the file. Okay, and you have to keep remember to mention .exe. Okay, so this .exe, and after that you have to press the or put the semicolon. Okay, so this is the way we have set up the driver path. Set up the driver path. Okay, and this double slash you can use for the commenting purpose. Okay, now the next step is open the web browser. So open web browser. Okay, so to open web browser, what we need to do, we need to create an object of the driver, object of the web driver. So you have to type web driver then driver is the object, and new for WebDriver is of type Chrome driver. Okay, so type Chrome driver. Okay, if Firefox driver, you have to mention Firefox driver. If there is a like internet IE driver, then you have to mention Internet Explorer driver here. Okay, and then the semicolon. Okay, now this is showing errors over here, but we haven't added the jars file or the libraries for that. So let's go ahead and add the libraries for that. Okay, so to add the libraries, what you need to do, you need, or add the libraries, or to get rid of this error, what you need to do, you need to move your cursor over here. It will give automatically all the options that we can go ahead with. So it's saying that okay, import this. Okay, so it's already present. This WebDriver definition for this WebDriver is already present in Selenium. Okay, this library, so we can just import that. Okay, so import it, and then the definition for the Chrome driver again is here in the Selenium Chrome. Okay, we can import that as well. Okay, so that's way we have opened our web browser. Okay, now what is there, we have to navigate to particular, whatever particular website. Okay, that is google.com. So for us it's a google.com. So let's go ahead and navigate. So to navigate, what we need to do, driver. So whatever the object we created earlier, we have to say driver dot, and all the methods will automatically come with respect to the driver. So to navigate or to open, it is get. You can use get method. Okay, driver dot get, it will navigate you to the particular website. So you can just mention http colon slash slash www dot google.com. Okay, so this will go to the google.com. Okay, now next is we have to write the message so that user understand that okay, the web page is open. Okay, so you can say print the message on the console. Okay, so that user can see it. So how you can do that, you can do the sysout and then the control space bar, which will give system.out.println, and open google.com successfully. Okay, so that's how we have printed this message on the console so that user will understand that. Okay, and the next thing is that okay, after opening the page, let's wait for some time. Okay, so that wait for 4 seconds. So how we can achieve that, we can just put the thread dot sleep. Okay, that's the Java command, everybody knows that, and 4000 is the, that is the 4 seconds. Okay, so here again you will get the error, so move your cursor and then add the throws declaration, or you can just bind that with the try and catch block. Okay, but just for now just throws the exception, so that will remove that error. Okay, and then we have to close the browser. Okay, so here to close the browser you have to driver dot quit. Okay, so this quit will exit the browser. So that's how our script is there. We have written all the steps for all the test cases, all the test steps. Okay, and now let's see how this is going to be run. Okay, run, and I'll make sure that I'll run it so that you can understand how it is getting open and close. Okay, so now let's go ahead and right click on this and then run as, and then Java application. Okay, so I click on this and see now it's going to open first. Okay, web page open, then it is going to navigate it to google.com, and after 4 seconds it will automatically close. Okay, so it has been closed now, and it again printed In between that time, open google.com successfully. So all the steps has been successfully completed. So yeah, this is what about like okay running your script on a Chrome web browser. Okay, so we have written the script with respect to the test cases which I have mentioned over here. Okay, and we have ran that script and on Chrome web browser. Okay, so this is about like a Chrome browser. In next section we'll see other things about how we can run the script, Selenium script on a Firefox web browser and a IE web browser. Till that time, enjoy.